What is up, YouTube? This is Juan from Kiss Auto, and well, we have another problem today. Well, my hair looks ugly. Today we're fixing a leak. So it's actually been a week since I've driven the MR2. The reason being is because it's been leaking from the oil pan. Now, I was talking to my buddy a couple days ago, and he said usually that could be fixed by retightening all the bolts. So that's it. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I'll bring you guys along for the ride, and hopefully we get this thing started, man. It's been a while. Alright, so let's go about jacking this thing up. Man, she's filthy as shit. I just feel like this has to be a 10. It's not going to be pretty disappointing. Alright. Let's see. Is this enough for me to get my fat ass in here? I know you guys can't see well, but let me try my best. That bolt right there, I could literally take off with my hand. I found the problem, guys. Alright, so just by looking at it right now, most bolts were loose. Why? I don't know. Alright guys, so here's the problem. I went over there and most, if not every single one of the bolts was completely loose to where I could completely take them off with my hand. And the problem is that there was like 2 or 3 of them that would not even thread on there. So what I think happened was that this happened around the time when I hit a really bad dip, and I think my oil pan took some damage, and it might have loosened them up. I don't know. It sounds like I'm fucked. I really didn't care too much about this engine here because I was planning a 2cc swap at the end of the year, but it just complicates things since it's gonna be a while till then. So I'm gonna fill her up with oil and I'll update you guys on that. So let's do that. that sounds like a misfire. Oh my dumbass, why am I waiting? Let's drive her out. What's weird about it is that the engine sounds healthy, so I don't know. Wait, it's not recording, is it? Oh yeah. Alright, you guys, so I came back from doing a test drive on it, and it doesn't look good. So I was driving, and as I was driving, my check engine light started flashing. So saying, yeah, I scanned it right away, and it was a cylinder 1 misfire. So it actually had never flashed on me like that. But other than that, yeah, pretty sad. So I talked to one of my buddies. He said that the bolts, being loose is pretty normal, but I am concerned about the ones that wouldn't thread on, because there were some that I tried to screw back on and they just wouldn't go on. It might be the bolts themselves or the actual threads, on the block. I don't know. That is still left to check, but the engine doesn't seem too healthy since it keeps misfiring on me, and it had never been that bad like it was today. So who knows what we're gonna do now. I think we're getting closer. Oh, I don't know what that was. I think we're getting closer and close. I think we're getting closer to ZZ swap that thing, since the engine doesn't seem healthy. But then again, I don't know. Drop a like in this video if you want to see the swap happen faster. It does help out a ton more. I will make sure to document this on video when it happens. It's gonna happen soon. I just don't know when. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, life is too short to drive boring cars unless they don't work. Later.